We come on time. We sit in a line. It can take gas and time. We do not need to be late. Jan and Pete can take a bus. Kim does not have to ride. Kim does not see Pete. Tom can ride a red bike. He can go up, 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 but it is a quick ride to get back home. Dad has a job at a dock. He can take Tim in a van. Tim will not come late. If it is wet, a van can help. Dad can fit 5 in the van. Dad can help a kid who does not have a ride. If it is not wet, do not ride. Lee and Kim can run, run, run. Pat can zip, zip quick too. We come in at the same time. We get in and sit on time. Pat can get in line quick.